Hey there, nonprofit and community leaders. My name is Ketsy Ruiz, and I am thrilled to be your MC for this year's 2025 Nonprofit Leadership Conference being held on June 12th in downtown Tampa. Now, this year's theme is Mission Accepted, and I've accepted my mission. Look, I know nonprofit work is really hard, but we were meant for this moment. You were meant for this moment. So be ready to attend this year's conference, engage in conversations, do some networking, hopefully learn something new, and help to move your community forward. Let's be champions together to move our communities forward. So, are you going to accept the mission? Oh, you are? Okay, then you can register at nlctb.org, and I hope to see you there.